guys. Look at that giant bird-like creature. You see that? Two eyes, a long beak type with the neck, the vertebrae in it. It's like a skeleton of some kind of bird skeleton or something. Whatever it is, it looks evil. But there it is. Look at that, yo. Let's see, what's this? Look at that, guys. Can anybody tell me what that might be? What are those black little dots lined up along the clouds? What is that, y'all? Anybody know? Can anybody let me know? Oh, did we miss it? Here it goes. I don't know, guys. I think we missed it today, but try again, back again tomorrow. That's all I can do. I know it's behind the cloud because anytime it's behind clouds, you see that little purple, that purple haze, that purple, this right here. Look at that. What is that, y'all? Wow. What is that? What is that, guys? What is that? Okay. Looks like it's gonna give us a little show. Looks like it's gonna give us a little show, y'all.